So Maddie, thank you so much for joining me. I was so excited when I got your email. Can you tell me about your results again, please?
Okay, that was 7 for speaking, 7 for writing, and 9 for listening, 8.5 for reading. Yeah.
And was that the score that you needed for your future plan?
Yes.
Fantastic! So tell me, what is your plan now? What are you going to do?
For now, I'm preparing for university, so my IELTS have passed, so I need to take another test such as SAT and another entrance test.
Which university do you want to go to?
Actually, I'm applying for both England and America. But for England particularly, I want to go to Cambridge University.
Oh, wow.
And for America, I want to go to Columbia University or Pennsylvania University.
Fantastic. That's so exciting. I'm so happy for you that you got the scores you were aiming for. How long had you been studying using E2 language?
I think before I take that test, I used E2 for about approximately 2 to 3 weeks. 2 to 3 weeks.
So not a huge amount of time, only a few weeks.
Yeah.
And how many hours a day were you studying, do you think?
I think for E2, I use maybe 3 hours a day for E2 language. Yeah.
And do you think the materials were useful? Did you enjoy using the E2 language materials?
Yeah, it was really useful, especially for the speaking lesson that I took with you, and the writing lessons online, like the writing text 1 and text 2. That resources was really useful.
How did they help you? How did the speaking class with me help you, and the writing classes?
You helped me to find where is my problem was. For example, I love to use and a lot, and I like kind of structures in my speaking, and I also you see I'm using a lot of and. Yeah.
Now you can relax though. Now you can relax. There's no IELTS test now.
In addition, I like using lots of repeating words So
did you learn some useful structures to help you?
Yeah.
And different vocab?
That one, yeah.
How did you find the PPF for part 2 of the speaking?
I actually used PPF when I take my last real IELTS test. And it was really useful because it was asking about really unfamiliar question about my childhood indoor games. It was really strange questions. So I just used PPF to give me more examples to speak of. Yeah.
And if any other E2 language students or other international students are watching this video in the future, what advice do you give them for helping to improve their IELTS scores?
Okay. First, absolutely believe in all the resources in E2 language and just use them. If you are not that good at writing, use the academic writing resources. If you are not that good at speaking, register for some for this speaking intensive packages like I did, and just reading more because I was kind of good at reading and listening, so I didn't use lots of resources in the E2 for that. But yeah, I believe that they're useful. Yeah.
Fantastic. So Maddie, thank you so much for meeting me and speaking with me online. I'm really glad to catch up with you again. And I'm really glad to be able to congratulate you face to face on your wonderful scores. I know how hard you studied, how much you studied for it. I know it was really important for you, and I'm really glad that you achieved your goal.
Thank you so much, Sasha.
So please keep in touch, and please let me know how you go with your upcoming other exam, the SATs, and then when you're at university as well, please keep sending me messages and letting me know how you're going.
Sure, absolutely, I will.
All right, fantastic, Maddy. Thank you very much for speaking with me, and good luck for your future studies.